Today I'm going to show you how to make these indulgent coconut flour chocolate chip cookies that are gluten-free and can be low-carb, keto-friendly depending on the sweetness you pop into them. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make these lovely cookies, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know other sweet treats you'd like me to share. So let me show you how to make them. Start by melting 100 grams, 3.5 ounces of unsalted butter. Really doesn't take long to melt, just keep giving it a good stir until it's all nice and melted. So once the butter's melted, we'll add it into a bowl. And then add all the other ingredients one at a time. I'm starting with a good shake of salt, teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 to 1/2 a cup of stevia, your sugar or your sweetener of choice. Give that a little stir through. And then add in 1 egg. And now for the coconut flour. There's only 1/4 cup, that's all that you need to form the perfect cookie dough. And then mix in the coconut flour. Once it starts forming a cookie dough, we'll add in the chocolate chips. So there's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces of chocolate chips there, and just mix that through to form a cookie dough. There you go, look at my lovely coconut flour chocolate chip cookie dough. I am going to pop it into the fridge now just for 10 minutes. It just helps to solidify the cookie dough and make it really easy to scoop out the perfect cookies. So I'll pop it in for 10 minutes and then I'll show you the next steps. The cookie dough has been in the fridge for 10 minutes and as you can see it's hardened up. And now we're going to fill a cookie sheet with our lovely cookies. So I've got a baking tray lined with well-greased baking paper and I'm going to add about a teaspoon per cookie onto the tray and get it filled up with cookies. Just like that. And now it's going to go into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for 10 to 15 minutes. I tend to, after 10 minutes, swivel around the tray so the front's the back, the back's the front, put it back in for another 5 minutes. So it has 15 minutes of cooking time, and I will show you the cookies once they're done. The cookies are out of the oven. The house smells amazing. Can't wait to tuck into them, but you have to be a little bit patient. When you're cooking with coconut flour, you do need to give them a little bit of time to cool down to room temperature so that they firm up a little bit. Otherwise, they might just fall apart. So allow them to cool to room temperature, and once they're at room temperature, I'll show you the lovely cookies. So despite temptation, I have been very good and waited until the cookies have cooled to room temperature, and now they have firmed up and they are the perfect chocolate chip cookies. I can't even speak. I just want to get into the cookies. And even though they're made with coconut flour, you really don't taste them and they taste so good, just like regular chocolate chip cookies. And so that is the video for today for how to make coconut flour chocolate chip cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe for you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.